Oh my gosh, guys, it's here. Oh my gosh, it's here.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Okay, my darlings, so before we even get started, go to the description box. Pause the video. Go to the description box. Click the link. Make the purchase. And then come back. Because what's going to happen is you're going to see this bag. And you're going to wait to the end of the video. Or you're going to wait until the unboxing. And you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I need this bag. And it's going to be sold out. Listen, we've gone through this before. And I thank you guys beforehand. I've been posting this bag all weekend because I want you guys to get it. Because with the camouflage, I had so many of you mad at me. And I was like, you are not going to be mad at me when I post this video. So thank you for those of you who did use my link. You know, we are going back to London. And so, you know, using my affiliate links, even though it's not, it's you know, it's not a lot of money. But every little bit helps. I hate to say every little bit because money is money, but I do use those affiliate funds to help fund London. And you know, I love taking you guys back home to London with me, and some other trips we want to go to. So again, thank you for using my links. For those of you who have purchased this bag, again, I'm giving you time to go into the description box and purchase this bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I actually saw, first of all, it's not really packed that nicely. They literally just threw it in the box. Like, it's not really, but like, yeah. But preferably the inside would look better than the outside. I wanted this bag last year. And I felt like it was sold out because I saw it in the stores and then I didn't see it in the stores. And so I was like, oh my gosh, that must have been a bestseller. It's sold out. Like, it is what it is. Same thing with the camouflage bag. I saw it on the site. I saw it in the store and then it was gone. And I was like, okay, me being the frugal friend that I am and waiting for a sale, I will wait myself. My great aunt used to say, okay, don't demonetize me. Pick until you pick shit. And basically you wait and wait for the right moment, and it never comes, and you missed your opportunity. So I was so excited when I saw this. And shout out to Autumn Beckman because I saw it in her community. If you're not following her, she is an awesome YouTuber that has a great luxury bag collection, and she has a lot of she has this dinosaur. Listen, Autumn, if you watch it, boo, whenever you want to release that dinosaur coach, I'm right here, okay? But I saw it on her community, and I clicked on her link and purchased it, and then I purchased it, and then I gave you guys my link. Again, click on the links because we're going to London, okay? All right, so enough hoo-hawing. Let's open this up. And one of the reasons I got this as well is for a teaching moment because I am Professor Dean, okay? Even though I'm not in the classroom as a retailing and merchandising professor, you know, these brands are coming out with these denim bags, and I'm trying to figure out what makes their bag, you know, $3,700. I love the packaging. What makes their bag $3,700 and this Coach bag $200? You gotta help me. Help me, Sway. How, Sway? How? So again, Coach with their packaging like no other. Riley likes to make cars with boxes. A little 8-year-old imagination. So let's do this. Let's get this together. I hope that I feel like I'm centered. So let's open it up. Again, where's the hole? While I'm unboxing this, go to the community, go to my description box. The link is there, honey. Don't let this pass you. Summer is the summer. This summer specifically, Telfar has a bag. That I'm like, they have a denim bag. I'm like, how the hell did I miss that? So that I might be getting that one too. But this summer is all about denim. I'm not saying that all summers are not about denim, but not Roger Vivier, Kurt Geiger. I'm not gonna lie to you. Ooh! I know I got this bag, but that Kurt Geiger bag it's on my list. You guys have seen it before me. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Oh, this is so good. This is so stinking good. you know, they love to package. I think the packaging of it is what makes it even better. Oh gosh. Let's do it together. Look at this. Oh, that is so, sorry guys. I'm getting my nails on Friday, okay? No judgment, no judgment. I didn't know I was gonna be getting this back. If I knew, I would have got my nails done last week. But oh, look at that. Let's, now, to be fair, I feel like the one in the store, I should have taken a picture of it. Maybe I can find it. I feel like it was lighter. Did they have a light one and a dark one? I like this one way better. Oh, I need to, where's my Brandon Blackwood? Because we'll look at that light denim. But, look at that, it's blue. Blue, I'm telling you, I told you to go and buy the bag before I unveiled the bag. Now you're gonna be with everybody else that's rushing to get the bag. I told you to stop the video and go get the bag. The link is in the profile. Use my link, please. But I wanna take all of this out so that I can see what the inside looks like. But who is this reminiscent of? Yes, honey, Vuitton. Here's my thing. As I unbox this, okay, this bag was $5.50, $6.95 Canadian. Oh, it feels so good. Leather on the bottom. Are there feet? There are feet on the bottom. Okay, so let's talk as I unbox this, because Vuitton just released their, well, not just, end of last year, not a few months ago, they just released or brought back, re-released their denim that was brought in under Marc Jacobs. Ooh, I thought it was a better one. That was brought in under Marc Jacobs, right? My era, right? 2000s. They just brought it back, and they have the on-the-go tote that is $3,700. But they did that tote after this one, because this one came out early last year. So it's kind of like, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Did they originally have the on-the-go tote in their mind, or did they see this? I was just like, oh, we need to have that. If we're, I don't know. I feel like they probably had some foresight. But you know, they checked the stats. They saw what Coach was doing. They were like, oh, okay. Coach is not doing it for $3,700 though. This thing is packed, y'all. It is packed. Packed. So I'm gonna leave a link to my camouflage and the horse and carriage one that I have. I probably will bring them out so that you guys can see me get this poison away, so my baby, meaning my dog, doesn't chew on it. So immediately, it's got a lot of give, a lot of slouch. Okay, so if that's not for you, which I do not know because I do not own the on-the-go. So I do not know if the on-the-go, those of you who do have it, let me know in the comment section. And please, listen, if you don't like this video, and if we're not subscribed, if you have lasted my other Field 40 tote videos and have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. But I don't know if the on-the-go has that slouch. Maybe that's a video. Maybe we go to LV and see what their denim is looking like. I'm definitely wanting to go to Coach because I've only seen the denim online. We have a Coach store. Sorry, I'm like trying to get everything untaped. We have a Coach store in Aventura, Bal Harbour, no, Brickell City Center. I know there has to be one. If there's one in Palm Beach, it would be Boca Town Center or Palm Beach Gardens. So I'll take a look. I don't think I've taken you to Palm Beach Gardens. Maybe we go up there so that you guys can see some shopping and some other places. Okay, so here is the strap. The strap is giving LV to me. Isn't that giving LV? Which, can we have a conversation? It very well could be made in the same factory. These leather bits, right? Because each bag is made of parts. And so we don't know where these parts are coming from, but it's very much giving LV. Again, which makes me think, why is that one $3,700? The LV one. So the inside, I'm going to be honest, it is fabric, which is okay. However, for travel, because if you watch my last video that I did on packing with the Fill 40, I use these for travel. This one I may use for work because it is fabric on the inside and I don't want to mucky up the fabric. When you're using it for travel, like I may have my makeup in there. I'll definitely have my water bottle, mommy's meds, Riley's juice pack, her Capri Sun. Well, not on the plane, but you know what I mean? Like just traveling if we do a day trip somewhere. So there's the inside. The inside is cloth, which I'm really not wanting, but I understand because it's denim. I get it. I get it. So it is slouchy at the bottom. Does it sit up by itself? Yeah, it's okay. It sits up by itself. So here is the bag. I don't want to knock over the camera. Let's come a little closer. All right. So there we go. I hope I'm not flashing you. My dress is a little short, but here is the bag. Coach logo. I love that they did blue. Could they have done this tan? I think if they did this, I think they could have done this tan. It would have been a nice vachetta if they did that. Is it vachetta? Vachetta? I was going to say pochetta. If they did it in this leather and it turned, I feel like that would have been so just sweet. But I like that they did it in the blue. I love this. And I love that this is in the leather. So one of the things I want to show you is, and let me know in the comments below, do you want me to do a travel video? Because what I want to do, I have the horse and carriage here. I'm going to get the camouflage down. Do you want me to do a travel video on how I style each of these? Because each of these, I feel like they're 3 different types of bag. Let me get them and then let's have that discussion. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we have the logo denim. Okay, I'm going to put that over here. And this is actually a good talking point because I have that denim tote, but I also got these denim totes from London, right? What I do with my bigger bags to have them keep shape, I put bags in bags, okay? So these denim bags were actually, I got them from London. I'll leave that video it up here somewhere. So these are bags that I carry casually. This is not a travel bag for me. These are like cute around Miami bags. And so some of you would say, you already have denim bags. Why are you getting that one? I'm not traveling. This is not going to nobody's airport. This may go to a market. This would definitely go to like a design district with a cute little denim outfit, which I just need to leave this out because I will be going there Saturday. I'm gonna remind myself. All right, so let me know if you want me to do a video on styling each bag, because for me, let's start with the horse and carriage. I will leave a link to the horse and carriage video. So this, to me, this is the life of a fashionista, okay? I don't want to put anybody in bondage thinking that you need to have 5 or 6 travel bags. That's not what I'm about. But if you're part of this channel, okay, then I feel that you are like me in that, you know, we use every opportunity to dress up, including going to the airport and traveling. And so having different types of totes and bags, I feel like we're the same person. If you're not, this might not be the channel for you, okay? We like to dress up here. I say that to say, this bag I got to wear with my cream luggage. To me, this is Portugal. This is Barcelona. This is summers somewhere. This is your travel bag when you go into the summer, going to a summer destination or spring destination. We may be going to Naples, not Italy, Naples, Florida for a little staycation. This is what I would take with my cute little cream suitcase, okay? My little carry-on. So this to me is a, hold on, wait, because I lost my headphones. I'm like, are they in here? Let me find out my headphones are in here. No, they're not. Okay, misplaced, not lost. So this is a totally different feel from how I would wear this. This is going on a fall trip, okay? This is fall winter trip. So I have 2 trips in my head that I want to take. And this for me is an all black outfit with my big black faux fur or my black wool coat. This is totally with my black luggage. Like, this is what I'm wearing. Cream luggage, black luggage. I told you, this channel, y'all feel me, okay? This is my black luggage look. And I would wear this in the spring, summer too, because it's just that kind of, you know, like it's just edgy. It's edgy. Probably one of my favorite bags out of all of these. And I cannot wait. I have not rocked it yet. I was supposed to go to New York for my birthday, but I was like, no, let's be good. We're going across the pond a couple times this year. Not good. That's the wrong way to put it. Let me be wise in my spending, is what I will say. As I buy a bag. But you get what I'm saying, okay? You get what I'm saying. So this is a totally different feel from that. Now this moment, to me, this is in the same vein as the cream one, but denim. There's something about this bag, like I would take I wouldn't take the cream one to work with me, meeting with clients and such, because I just feel like that would just get really, really dirty. I've taken the camo out once, and that was a really, really cute moment. But this, I feel like she's gonna get a lot of wear. I feel like this is gonna be my most used field tote. Would I take this on vacation? Absolutely. But I feel like this is an everyday slay, everyday South Florida denim bag. I am so about denim bags right now. And like I said, I feel like, let's go to the mall, because I want to go to Coach, and I want to see the Coach denim bags against the Kurt Geiger denim bags. Those two they're neck and neck. The LV denim bags, that's not in my price range right now. That's not in my budget right now. Saint Laurent, which makes, I feel like they were the first one to come out with like the denim Lulu bag. I really feel like they were the first one. And then I have my Brandon Blackwood, which I'll leave a link. But yeah, let's do that. Let's go to the mall. I'm off track. I feel like this is something that I'm going to get a lot of views of, and I'm going to wear a lot. And I just love the price point. I love the price point. So if you have not purchased it, or if you were thinking about purchasing it, purchase it. Okay? You will be so mad at yourself this summer when you have that trip somewhere and you're like, dang, I should have got that bag. Yes, you should have. If it's in your budget, yes. If it's not, then we will find it. We will go to a Target. We will find somewhere else to get this silhouette. And maybe that's what I'll do too. I'll leave a link to this bag, but also if you're not in the price, if you're not able to do a $220 bag right now, I know that at the Palm Beach, when I went to TJ Maxx Palm Beach, they had a beautiful 9 West one that was like $39.99. I'm gonna see if I can find a similar bag, or find that bag and leave it, because again, $220 is not for it. Just like $3,700 for me is a no. $220 for some of y'all may be like, oh no, I'm not doing that. So we'll go ahead and put the $40 one in the description box. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and again, thank you for using my links. Again, you know, the money that I earn on this channel, affiliate links and everything else, Poshmark, goes towards travel, so that I can take you to amazing places and just showing you the best places to shop around the globe. All right, my darlings, have a wonderful afternoon, evening, what time is it? Wonderful evening, and I will see you again very, very soon. Probably at Coach and Nordstrom. Bye.